What if you could reduce defects in your processes to just 3.4 per million opportunities? That's the power of Six Sigma. Many organizations grapple with high levels of defects, process variations, and customer dissatisfaction. This lack of process control can lead to increased costs, lost business, and damage to brand reputation. At an individual level, professionals often struggle to quantify and improve process performance effectively. Teams may lack a common language and tool set for driving significant quality improvements. This course provides comprehensive training in Six Sigma methodologies. It equips participants with statistical tools and techniques to measure, analyze, improve, and control processes. Participants will learn to apply the DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control methodology, use advanced statistical tools, and implement process control techniques. They'll also develop project management and change leadership skills. For organizations, the impact is transformative. They'll see dramatic improvements in product quality, process efficiency, and customer satisfaction. This leads to significant cost savings, enhanced market position, and a culture of data-driven decision-making. On a personal level, participants will gain highly sought-after skills that can significantly boost their career prospects. Teams will benefit from having experts who can guide them through complex improvement initiatives. Ready to become a catalyst for breakthrough improvements in your organization? Don't miss this opportunity to master Six Sigma methodologies. Enroll now and learn to drive dramatic quality improvements that can revolutionize your organization's performance.